Hi, welcome to A Taste of Oktoberfest presented by Snyder's. I'm your host, Alan Cayenne. Today we're heading off to the Concordia Club to try some of their authentic Oktoberfest cuisine. Special thanks to Hefner Toyota, who's providing me with this awesome car to get me there safely. Hey everyone, I'm here at Concordia Club with Chef Jeff. Now, everyone knows about Concordia Club being open for Oktoberfest, over 50 years of celebrating here. They know about the tent, but what I don't think people know is you guys have a restaurant that operates year-round.
The Schenke restaurant here at the Concordia Club is open 6 days a week.
Nice.
So it's not just Oktoberfest, 9 days of madness. It's literally all year long.
That's awesome. Now, I know you have some authentic German cuisine there. What are some of the favorites that are offered at the Schenke?
Well, some of the classic stuff here is the Rouladen, the Sauerbraten, Chef Alisa's famous cabbage rolls, the smoked pork hocks, and of course Wiener Schnitzel. And that's what we're going to be doing here for you today, Alan.
Nice. I'm excited to make some Wiener Schnitzel. It's something I love eating whenever I come to the Schenke, so I'm ready to learn how to make it. All right, so we're making some Wiener Schnitzel. What do we need here? I see a lot of stuff in front of us. Can you walk me through what we got and what we're going to do with it?
Absolutely. We got the whole station set up here, Alan. Typically for Oktoberfest, we're going through about 1,500 a day. So It's usually a 3-person job.
Okay.
What we have here is fresh, never frozen pork loin cutlets, okay? Some guys are using ham. We are always using pork loin here. Always the best.
Nice.
Okay? So we're simply going to put it into our dredge here, which is flour, seasoned flour, a little bit of seasoning, salt, pepper. Then it goes into our egg wash. Then it's going to go into our breadcrumbs, and we're going to kind of shape it a little bit, and then we're going to go cook you guys some Wiener Schnitzel.
Awesome. Now, you said 3-person job. I'm not the best at math, but I count 1, 2. Don't we need some extra help here?
Yeah, we could use a hand for sure.
All right. So I heard you have a specialist on staff here. Is Chef Alisa? Is she going to come
100%.
and help us out?
Yep, she's just around the corner waiting for us.
All right, let's bring her in. Hello, welcome.
Thank you.
I'm excited to learn here.
Yes.
So like I said, guys, fresh, never frozen pork loin, okay? What we're going to do here is put it into our flour mixture, which is basically flour, seasoning salt, a little bit of pepper. Some guys put nutmeg in it. If you're going to put nutmeg, try not to put too much, and then it goes right into our egg wash. So after our egg wash, we go into our nice fresh breadcrumbs, okay?
Is there anything special about the breadcrumbs or just any breadcrumbs?
No, just breadcrumbs.
Okay.
Some of the best things in life are simple, Alan.
Yeah.
Right?
The simplest ingredients
They say
the
kiss
best.
me, keep it simple, stupid. That's what they say, right? So look at these beautiful Wiener Schnitzels we have here. Alicia's just giving a little bit of shape to it to make it a little more round around the edges, make it look a little nicer on the plate for the customer. And then we're going to go off to the fryer. 350 degrees, about 2 minutes, and we have a beautiful Wiener Schnitzel. I hope you came hungry.
Oh, I did. This is my favorite part of this, is always doing a little taste test. So.
Yeah, wonderful.
All right, so now that I've watched, I'm going to join this 3-person team and get in on the operation.
Wonderful.
All right, here we go.
Okay, so once again, our beautiful pork loin into our flour mixture. Okay, shake that off a little bit. Into our egg wash.
Awesome.
And then into our breadcrumbs.
Here we go, and I'm going to get the crumbs nice on there.
So Alan,
Press it down.
Alan, we have our pork loin brought in tenderized already.
Oh, okay.
So typically at home, people would have a little bit thicker cut of a meat, and they would be pounding it out to make it nice and flat and everything else, right? So just a heads up.
Nice. I was wondering where my big hammer was to pound out the meat. I was excited to do that.
At a normal Oktoberfest, Alan, we only have another 1,500 to go.
Oh man, that must be a lot of work to make
Yep.
all those by hand.
Yep.
No wonder they're so good though. They're made with love.
Yep. They're made with love and they're made by the expert over here.
Yeah.
All right, beautiful. We're off to the fire, Alan.
Awesome.
All right, Alan, here we go. So, nice clean oil, 350 degrees. Always push away from you, just in case it splashes.
Smart.
We'll do one more. And that's it, 350 degrees.
All right, now if I don't have this type of sweet fryer at home, what's another option?
Well, you could always pan fry it, you know, with a little bit of canola oil or vegetable oil in a frying pan. Would be a little bit healthier of an option. That's a good option. So you're looking at about a minute and a half, 2 minutes, Alan, and you should have a nice, beautiful golden fried Wiener Schnitzel. Okay, we'll let that strain off. It's a beautiful noise, no?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so we'll let that strain for 30 seconds or so. Okay then, Mr. Allen, there you have it, our traditional Wiener Schnitzel, garnished with a lemon, okay? We have a few different varieties here at Concordia Club, obviously, all accompanied with different kinds of sauces. We also have a traditional original schnitzel, which is a veal schnitzel, so a completely different cut of meat and everything else. Very tasty.
Nice.
Okay. Here at Concordia Club, we like to serve this with either braised red cabbage or spätzle or sauerkraut, lots of sauerkraut, home fries, vegetables, mashed potatoes. Okay, so the options are endless.
So basically, you just take this and put it with another delicious item,
absolutely,
and we're good to go.
100%.
I love it.
So please, if you would, have a little try of that.
I am excited.
Let's get in here.
Let me get one on my plate here. Gotta have the lemon. I love lemon with my Wiener Schnitzel.
Me too, me too. There we have it.
All right. Here we go.
Ready for this?
Dig in. I am so excited right now.
Prost.
Prost. Oh, yeah. Mm-hmm. That is fantastic.
Thank you very much, Alan.
Thank you so much for having us
here.
You're
quite welcome.
I really enjoyed it. It was great coming here, learning about all the different options that the Shanky has to offer. So everyone, you can come in 6 days a week, year-round, and enjoy some delicious German cuisine. You don't have to wait for Oktoberfest. Thanks again, Jeff.
Pleasure was all mine.
Prost.
Prost.
Thanks for watching A Taste of Oktoberfest, presented by Snyder's and proudly sponsored by Hefner Toyota. Also, special thanks to Concordia Club and Chef Jeff for having us today and the amazing Oktoberfest food we had. For more videos like this, check out oktoberfest.ca and get all your Oktoberfest info in one place. Auf Wiedersehen.